Hey everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Engineers Class 202. Today we are going to learn about our first chapter, Mathematical Logic. Mathematics is a logical subject. The word logic comes from the Greek word logos, which means reasoning. Therefore, logic deals with the method of reasoning. Language is the medium of communication of our thoughts. For communication, we use sentences. In logic, we use the statements which are special sentences. So in this lecture, we are going to learn about statement. What is statement? Definition of statement, and which sentences are statements and which sentences are not statements, with examples. So first, let's take a look on definition of statement. What is statement? Statement is the declarative sentence which is either true or false. Statements are denoted by small letters P, Q, R. What is statement? A statement is a declarative sentence which is either true or false, but not both simultaneously. Either it is true or either it is false, and it is denoted by small letters P, Q, R, dash dash. Next, truth value of statement. Then what is truth value of statement? We know that statement is either true or false. If the statement is true, then its truth value is true, and we denoted this in capital T. And if the statement is false, then its truth value is false. We denoted this by capital letter F. So let's take a look on some illustrations which are statements and which are not statements. Here, following sentences are statements. Which sentence says sun rises in the east? Next, 5 into 2 is equal to 11. Every triangle has 3 sides. These are all statements. These are simple statements. And which are not statements and why? Let's take a look. What is your name? What a beautiful place it is. Open the window. These are not statements because this is question. This is request. So note, interrogative, exclamatory, command, order, request and suggestions are not statements. Okay, let's take a look on next example, whether these sentences are statement or not and why. Consider the following. 3x divided by 2 minus 9 is equal to 0. Here, if we put x is equal to 6, then this equation is correct. Because 6 into 3, 18. 18 divided by 2, 9. 9 minus 9 is equal to 0. But other values of x, it is false. Therefore, for x is equal to 6, it is true. But for other than 6, it is not true. Okay. Next example, he is tall. But we don't determine whether he is tall or not. Here we cannot determine the truth value. It is true or it is false. Next example, mathematics is an interesting subject, but this is depend on person. This is depend on person to person. Some person like mathematics, some not. Therefore, the truth value varies from person to person. And next, it is black in color. This also depends on person to person. Therefore, in all the above sentences, we cannot determine whether it's truth or false. Therefore, these sentences are known as open sentences. In all the above sentences, the truth value depends upon the situation. Such sentences are called as open sentences. And remember that open sentence is not a statement. Therefore, these are not a statement. So let's take a look on solved examples. Our first example is, which of the following sentences are statements in logic, and write down their truth values. So our first example is 6 into 4 is equal to 25. So this is a statement. We know that this is a simple statement, but what is its value, whether it is true or false? Then 6 into 4 is equal to 24, but here given is 25. So its truth value is false. It is a statement which is false, hence its truth value is false. So it is denoted by capital F. Okay, next example is x plus 6 is equal to 9. here we can put different values of x. So x is variable. So we don't know whether it is true or false. So it is an open sentence, and we know that open sentence is not a statement. Okay, our next example is what are you doing? So this is a simple question. It is an interrogative sentence, hence it is not a statement. And next example is the quadratic equation x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0 has two real roots. We know that it is second degree equation and it has two real roots. Hence it is a statement which is true. Hence its truth value is true and it is denoted by capital T. Our next example is please sit down. We know that it is request and request is not a statement. It is a request, hence it is not a statement. Next example, the moon revolves around the earth. It is a statement which is true. Therefore, its truth value is true and it is denoted by capital letter T. Next example, every real number is a complex number. It is also a statement which is true. Hence its truth value is true and denoted by capital T. Next, he is honest. It is an open sentence and open sentence is not a statement. Next example, the square of a prime number is a prime number. It is a statement which is false. Hence its truth value is F, denoted by capital F. This is everything for today. If you like this video, please share to it, like this video and don't forget to subscribe our channel Engineers Class 202. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.